How to change date of birth in Facebook after limit. Let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, open the Facebook application on your device. Make sure you are logged in to your Facebook account. Now tap on the settings button on the top right of your screen. Scroll down and under audience and visibility, you will see the option for profile details. Tap on that, scroll again and you will see the basic info tab. Below that is your date of birth. So tap on the edit button there and now tap on edit in account center. You will now be able to change your birth date. Change your birth date and click on done. Click on save now and with this your date of birth will be changed. If you are somehow not able to change the birth date still, then go to your menu again and now scroll down and tap on help and support and then on report a problem. You will get various options here. Scroll down and look for the profile option. Now type in your issue here. Make sure to be elaborative and descriptive about your issue for quicker responses. Now you can simply type whatever I am writing here. You can also add screenshots as a proof to your issue. Once done, click on done and then on send. Your issue has been reported. You will receive a reply from Facebook within 24 hours. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.